What's up, guys? I'm out here in Austin, Texas, taking a look at Giga, Texas. Right now, the construction is well underway, as you can see, and I've been to the Fremont factory, and now I've been here. This thing is huge. My God, I love it. This is definitely going to house, I can see this being the main factory for everything, for definitely Cybertruck, Model Y, obviously, the best seller that's going to be coming out here. And there's so much room for it. You can see this off of the freeway, cranes everywhere. This is amazing. I've seen drone footages of this thing being built. I've seen photos galore. Nothing in comparison to what it is seeing this in person. It's huge. It's the biggest it's the biggest thing I've ever seen. I love it. So this is it. What I call Giga Austin is officially dubbed Tesla Giga Texas.